Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today we will introduce you to inline cell editing, a fast and easy way to update your data directly within your pivot grid. With this feature, you can quickly edit any individual value inside the pivot grid without opening the underlying records or changing other cells in the same row or column. It's perfect for making precise updates to summarized data on the fly. Let's get started by enabling this feature. First, click on Edit Page to open the App Builder. Next, select your pivot grid component. Scroll down until you see Enable Cell Edits. Then, simply check the box. Once that's done, click Save and hit Back. Back on your pivot grid, you'll see Inline Cell Editing is now active. Click directly on any pivot cell, and only that cell becomes editable. Make your change, then easily move on to the next cell. You can update as many cells as you need before saving. When you're ready, just click Save to apply all your updates. Your changes are instantly saved and synced behind the scenes, keeping your pivot data accurate and up to date without any hassle. Thank you for watching.